everyone, do you know the biggest reason that why we forget English while speaking? Yes, it's not grammar, it's a fear. Yes, guys. So, hey everyone, this is Anjali and welcome back to my day 4 of my English learning journey. So, it's my day 4 and it's around 5 o'clock, and today is not that much cold like yesterday, because yesterday was so cold and I also uh, wear cap, and today finally after many days came out sun and we feel like good. So yeah, so in this video, without wasting time, I want to tell you very honest that why we forget English while speaking. Yes, it's not grammar, it's not pronunciation, it's not words, it's our fear. We have to know this feeling very quickly, because of this feeling, because of this thinking, we wait a lot and our time goes no waste. So yeah, so you have to stop your overthinking. Like when I started learning English, I was also scared to speak English in front of others, even with my sister, even with my brother. And even now I am not that much confident to speak in front of anyone, outside, where I goes, where I leaves. But now I am confident, but not that much. And then I realized that we keep thinking about what if people laugh, what if people says wrong thing, what if people say that you are wrong here, what if people say that, like, we speak bad pronunciation, like our pronunciation is not that much we cannot speak like these things. Even today I these things face us, because we are started right now. Okay, and in starting these things happens, and whoever pass this time, who wins. Okay, so we have to do these things. And if you are in this journey with me, then comment me that I am trying. And if you are perfect than me, then comment it politely that where I wrong. So yeah, so in this video I want to tell you that don't be perfect, just start speaking. Like I am recording because I wanna improve myself, I wanna my communication skills, that's why I am recording. And it's a day 4. I hope that I will be consistent 30 days, because always I started my new days, and always my consistency break. So yeah, so we don't think more about another people. Okay, just start speaking. I will say in this video only these things you have to. So that's why I made one rule, that I will speak even if it's wrong. And in if I will record my video and I upload, and if any bad comments in my comment box, then I will say it's okay, it's happened. If anybody starts, then it's in starting these things happens. And if anybody comment like bad comments, then we feel like that we have to uh, take 100% in this field. So yeah, many people are starting, but many people afraid to do these things. So yeah, so we are starting and we are doing in a good way. So we have to say ourselves to thank you, because wrong English is better than silent English. Okay, so don't be silent, just speak whatever you want. Somehow we can be a better, somehow we can be a wrong, but we will speak, then our confidence grows. We never forget our word meaning, our pronunciation, how to be pronunciate that. Many people I feel now like a cold, that's why I'm shivering, and my words also you know complain. So yeah, so that's it for today. See you in the day 5. So bye bye.